If you own a website or a blog and you write about more current events, more live data, more day-to-day events, then you know it's going to be difficult to use most AI tools because most AI models are trained up to 2024 or the latest 2025. So if you're writing content around a new topic, it will not be trained on that topic. Therefore, the information will be outdated and it wouldn't really be valuable, and it's less likely to rank on Google. And according to multiple data sources, we know that Google loves fresh and up-to-date content. And every single day, there's thousands of new searches that has never been searched on Google. So there's a whole slew of new current event traffic that you're missing out on. So I'll show you how you can automate writing fresh and up-to-date content while still using AI. No matter what niche you're in, the information will be enriched in your articles or your content if you can get more current 2025 events. And what I used to do is I had to go on Google, had to search up new current events, and then take that information and prompt it into ChatGPT or Claude to write my content. But this was time consuming, so I went ahead and created a template within my tool, WordRocket, and it's called a real-time blog post generator with web search. And the way that this tool works is first, you enter in a keyword or a search term. We will then search up that term, get as bunch of new current information as we can get. For this, we use either one of three models that you decide: GPT-4o Mini Search, Perplexity Sonar Reasoning Pro, and Perplexity Sonar Pro. We'll be testing all three of these models in today's video. So first, let's say, for example, it is September, and we wanted to get some up-to-date information on the new iPhone releases of September or the new mortgage news, new mortgage rates of September. Then we can simply enter that search term within this section. That can be our search term, and our blog post topic can be different from the search term. So for example, our blog post topic can be Apple iPhone new release, everything you missed, while the web search term can be Apple iPhone new release. So let's go ahead and copy this over also as a target keyword. We're going to keep our word count to about, let's say, 4,000. And for this example, we'll be using GPT-4o Mini Search, and now our content will start generating. So again, there's a two-step approach. One is going to be the research model, which is GPT-4o Mini, and then the second is going to be Claude Sonnet 4, which is going to actually write the content. So we're going to get research, we're going to get a high intelligent model to then write the content. So the second model which we'll be using, which is the model that I prefer, is Perplexity Sonar Reasoning Pro. This is definitely a much more intelligent model, in my opinion, when it comes to research compared to GPT-4o Mini. So again, we're going to click Generate and give it a couple of minutes, and then your generation will start within the background. And lastly, we're going to use Perplexity Sonar Pro, which is the third model. And again, we're going to go ahead and click Generate. You also have the ability to include your sitemap. So all you need to do is enter in your sitemap.xml, and we'll scrape your internal links and use that throughout the article. You can also change the language of the content if you're creating content for a language other than English. So once that's all finished, if you head over to the My Content section, we'll be able to see our articles that are being generated. If we click on any of them, we can see that all three of them are generating within the background. So the first article is going to be GPT-4o Mini, second Sonar Reasoning Pro, and the third Sonar Reasoning. So let's go ahead and look at the first article that we got back. And remember, this is from GPT-4o Search. So we can see Apple iPhone new release, everything you missed. The smartphone world was completely shaken when Apple unveiled its most ambitious iPhone lineup yet on September 19th, 2025. So we can see already that this is an up-to-date article. The Apple iPhone new release, which is our keyword, isn't just another annual upgrade, it's a fundamental reimagining of what a smartphone can be. We get our key takeaways: the complete Apple iPhone new release. So this is the new iPhone, and we get our internal links as well. New iPhone, some of its information, and the iPhone Air that's been released. We had a pull quote as well, which looks really, really good. We get our tables. Again, and this is a large article, right? We get our actual table as well with the iPhone 16 models, original price, new price savings. So we get a nice little chart here. Again, if we scroll down, we get another chart here with a complete pricing breakdown of the iPhone 17 series. So we see the storage, we see the price, and we see the key features, and this is all up-to-date information, right? And imagine if you just created one of this article, it would take you even shorter. And we created 3 articles within a couple of minutes. And as you can see, these are really, really good articles here because it's up to date. It has all the information that you need. You can have your internal links, and it's pretty long. Like, if we keep scrolling, we can see that this is a long article, and we can see our references here. So we have 5 different references, and it's all going to just solidify the authoritativeness and the accuracy of your article. So that's the first article from GPT-4o mini search. It was actually a really good article, I must say. Here's the second article from Sonar Reasoning Pro. Again, let's go ahead and read the introduction. Apple's September 2025 iPhone launch has shattered expectations, introducing the most revolutionary iPhone lineup in the company's history. Amazing. Again, internal links, and we get our tables here. So model comparisons, we get the specs, we get the software integration. Let's scroll down here. Let's see how many sources this one used. So we also used about 5 different sources. We get our SEO title and our SEO meta description with our conclusion and everything intact. So these 3 articles are going to be really good. It just depends on the model that you decide to choose. You can definitely test it out for yourselves. GPT-4o Mini actually gave me a surprisingly good article. So you can test it out for your niche and your topics and see which one you like the best and stick with that model. Here's the last article from Sonar Reasoning. The tech world has been buzzing since Apple's groundbreaking September 9th announcement. The company has redefined what we expect from smartphones. We get a lot of relevant information here, and all of the references were from Apple's Inc. So we got all the references from Apple's direct source, so we can know for a fact that this information is correct. So that's just one use case of the template. You can also use this for, let's say, news. So if I wanted to do something that says mortgage news today, Toronto, I can simply enter that in there and then go ahead and create my article. So anything that you want to write about that's up to date, that's new, you can use this template to do so. And it's very, very easy to use. All you need to do is head over to app.wordrocket.ai. If you haven't signed up, you just sign up for an account. And to use the tool, you need to enter in your OpenRouter API key. So you can head over to OpenRouter, go to keys, create an API key. You need to add $10 onto your API key in order to start using it. And then you just copy over your API key and add that into your OpenRouter, because we will be using your own API key because it'll be cheaper for you in the long run, because we're not charging you or upcharging you for using our own API key. And that allows you to get access to all of the different models that I was just showing you. And it just allows you to create really high quality content. Hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you can give WordRocket a try. It is a really, really, really good tool. Again, the link for WordRocket will be in the description below today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.